These are some steps on how to securely store and protect your cryptocurrency investments. 1. Understand the different types of cryptocurrency wallets. There are several types of wallets, including web wallets, desktop wallets, mobile wallets, and hardware wallets. Each has its unique features and levels of security. 2. Choose a secure wallet. Most cryptocurrency experts recommend using a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano S or Trezor. These wallets are designed to keep your coins offline, making them less vulnerable to hacking. 3. Keep your software up to date. When using a software wallet, you should always ensure that you're using the latest version. Developers regularly update software wallets to improve their security features. 4. Use two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your cryptocurrency wallet by requiring a second verification step before granting access. Some wallets offer this feature, and it's recommended that you enable it. 5. Keep your private key secure. Your private key is the key to your cryptocurrency wallet, and losing it means losing your coins. Keep your private key safe, and don't share it with anyone you don't trust. 6. Back up your wallet. Hardware and software wallets both have the option to back up your wallet. This is an essential step in case your device gets lost, stolen, or damaged. Keep your backup in a secure location, such as a safety deposit box. 7. Practice safe online behavior. Be cautious of downloading any suspicious emails or software. Phishing scams and malware attacks can target cryptocurrency users looking to steal your private information. By following these steps, you can reduce the risk of losing your cryptocurrency investments due to theft, hacking attacks, or human error.